Let's be real, if you've ever dealt with ringing ears, buzzing, or that constant background noise called tinnitus, you know how frustrating it is. It messes with your sleep, your focus, your mood, and sometimes it feels like there's no way out. That's exactly where I was a few months ago. Tired, stressed, distracted. Until I found something called Audifort. Now, I'm not here to hype it up or sell you a magic cure. This is my honest 90-day review. What worked, what didn't, and whether Audifort is actually worth your time and money. Here's the quick breakdown. Audifort is a natural dietary supplement designed to support ear health and calm tinnitus symptoms. Formula includes ingredients like ginkgo biloba, hawthorn berry, green tea, vitamin C, and minerals. Claims: reduce ear ringing, improve focus and sleep, support memory, and promote overall brain health. 100% natural, non-GMO, stimulant-free. Made in the USA in FDA-registered GMP-certified facilities. Backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee. Alright now, let me share what actually happened when I tried it. So, what was it like? Week 1 to 2, honestly, not much changed at first. The ringing was still there, but I did notice my sleep felt a little more restful. Week 3 to 4, this is when I started noticing small improvements. The ringing wasn't gone, but it felt less sharp, less distracting. Month 2, this was the turning point. My focus during work improved, my anxiety dropped, and I wasn't constantly thinking about the noise anymore. Month 3, by 90 days, the tinnitus wasn't completely gone, but it was far more manageable. My head felt clearer, my sleep quality was better, and I had way more patience and energy during the day. So yes, it helped me, but it's not an overnight fix. You have to stay consistent. Now, let me share the 3 biggest mistakes I see people making with Audifort. Expecting instant silence. If you think it'll stop the ringing in 24 hours, you'll be disappointed. It's gradual. Skipping doses, consistency is the key. If you don't take it daily, you won't see results. Ignoring lifestyle basics. Stress, poor sleep, and loud noise exposure make tinnitus worse. Audifort helps, but it can't fight bad habits alone. Here's the real talk. Pros: noticeable reduction in ringing intensity, better sleep and focus, natural ingredients. No side effects for me, improves calmness and mood, 90-day money-back guarantee. Cons: takes weeks to show results, not a total cure, helps manage. Not a race, only available online, so overall it's effective if you stay consistent. Audifort is perfect for people struggling with constant ear ringing or buzzing. Anyone whose sleep and focus are wrecked by tinnitus. Those looking for natural brain and hearing support. It's not for you if you want a one-pill, instant cure. That doesn't exist. My verdict after 90 days? Audifort works, but you need patience. For me, it didn't magically erase tinnitus, but it made it so much more manageable. The ringing isn't controlling my life anymore, and that alone is worth it. And with the money-back guarantee, I figured I had nothing to lose. If you're curious, check the link in the description to watch the demo video and grab the current discount. Stick with it for a few weeks, take it daily, and give your body time to adjust. You might be surprised at how much calmer, clearer, and more focused you feel.